Hey, hi guys, welcome back to Logic Loops. This is day 18 of our Java series. In the previous video, we learned about the switch statements and how to use it in Java programs, right? Today, we are going to discuss about looping statements. So, what is loops? A loop is a programming concept that allows to execute the same block of code multiple times until the given condition became false. So why do we use loops? Suppose I want to print the message like welcome to Java 10 times. So without using loops, I would have to write the same code system.out.println 10 times, right? So like this, I need to print again and again system.out.println, system.out.println, and so on. So this is time consuming and makes the code too longer. With a loop, you can achieve the same result using just a few lines of code. So then coming to types of loops. Java provides mainly three types of loops: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Coming to for loop, so a for loop is used when the number of iterations is known in advance. For example, you need to write the numbers from 1 to 100. Here, you already know from where to where you need to write the numbers, right? In that situation, you will use for loop. Coming to syntax, so for initialization, condition, increment or decrement. So for here, I am printing the numbers from 1 to 5. That's why I initialized I equal to 1. Here I comparing the value with 5. So I means 1 less than or equal to 5. Here my condition. Then it will, if condition is true, it will enter into the loop and print the I value, and then it will increment or decrement operation is performed. So here I equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 5, condition true, it will enter into the loop and prints 1. Then I plus plus, now I equal to 2. So 2 less than or equal to 5, condition true, again it will enter into the loop, it will print 2. Then I plus plus, now I equal to 3. 3 less than or equal to 5, true, condition true, it will enter into the loop, it prints the I value is 3. Then I is incremented 4. 4 less than or equal to 5, condition true, it will prints the I value. Then 5 less than or equal to 5, condition true, prints the 5 value, up to 5 values is printed. Now I plus plus means now I equal to 6. So 6 less than or equal to 5, condition false, it will come out of the loop. Then coming to while loop. So a while loop is used to check the condition first. If the condition is true, then the loop executes. See the syntax for while loop: while, condition, and code. For example, here int I equal to 1, while I'm writing the condition I less than or equal to 5. So if here I initialized I equal to 1. So 1 less than or equal to 5, condition true, it prints 1. Then I equal to 2, 2 less than or equal to 5, condition true, and prints up to 5. Then I became 6. 6 less than or equal to 5, condition false, right? So it will come out of the loop. Then do while. So a do while executes the code first and check the condition afterward. So this means loop body executes at least one time even if the condition is false. See the syntax for do while. So do code, whatever the written statements you need to mention, you will mention here. Then while, condition. For example, so here I equal to 2, I already induced, I mentioned print I, then I incremented I plus plus. So initially I is 1, so I printed 1, then I plus plus. Here I less than or equal to 5, it will check the condition again and again until I becomes false. It will execute continuously. So that's all for today's video. In the next video, we will write the Java programs using for, while and do while loops to understand how they work in practice. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on next video.